people that need it need a place of comfort. And that's what we're offering them. We are partnering with Hospice Advantage, and they will be doing the nursing. But of course, all our Brian's volunteers will be here also. We want to take this front area, make it into a sunroom, family room, where we can roll a bed out, and the patients can be out in the sun and enjoy it year-round. Our kitchen and dining area will be here. Be totally remodeled. In this area here, we're going to put 3 rooms on each side. And the nurses' stations will be at the end there. And the rest of the building will be renovated for convenience to the patients